All right. Good day. Here we go again. This time we're gonna make or we're gonna release the source code for Discord linker, the plugin that I made. But at the same time, we're gonna refactor it as the way that we're gonna rewrite it from the scratch. All right. So for now, we're gonna do here is to uh, clone this one to our desktop because our API is on desktop. Right. Discord linker and then clone it. Right, after cloning, show in Explorer, Explorer right here, and then what we're gonna do here is I haven't make them to make them like automatic. Oh man, we're gonna do this again anyway. Maybe I'll write it down so we know it later on. Okay, and then what we're gonna do here, opening our template, plugin template, and copy all these things here. Make sure that we are plugin template. We have updated the template, so we don't. What we can use here, remove this. And anyway, I didn't make it from template as my repo is already here, but I just put this repo to release the plugin itself, but I haven't put any source code in it as I have my other repo for just development, the plot, the repo or the project, right? We don't use this. This is the settings um, for Git and Visual Code or Visual Studio. Config, we need that. The build, we don't need that because it will auto-generate. Also, the output, the leaves and includes, yeah, I'm gonna have that. Maybe I will put separate repo for this one. Like, if you are familiar with sub modules in GitHub, so we don't push all of the includes libraries and includes, right? So on when you pull or create a template, um it will automatically what do you call this pull to your project, but it will not when you push it, it will just reference that sub module. Okay, as long as the sub module is, I mean the repo of that sub module is up, you can still use that. Because this the way that we set up this template is like we pushing every time we push, or we every time we make what do you call this, we make the repo, this one also pushes in that one, but this one is fine as well because this one doesn't update, right? So if the main repo or this includes libraries gets updated, and everything gets updated as well. So that's kind of problem because if you are like trying to lock all the the packages that you want, um yeah, right, it won't mess up with your project. Okay, so git ignore, maybe I will, this one is a new one. Let's see if we oh yeah, this is just a template from GitHub. So what we're gonna do is bring the git ignore as well, and our license maybe not because it's the same, I believe. uh yeah, everything is like this. Okay, maybe I will automatically, maybe I'll write it this one. I'm gonna write down all my now, because this is the way how we automate things. We need to write down all our action. Copy from template. Okay. Maybe I'll show it to you so you don't just listen what I'm doing, right? Source, uh, output, we don't need that. It's a big, big ignore ASA API that plugins that template that VCX. I think I made a script that can rename or find a text and replace without opening the project. I mean, without opening the file. I made the script for from Node.js. Anyway, I will share it to you someday. It's maybe the next video that I'm gonna make is um automate this template, so every time we're gonna do some uh project, we don't need to do this every time. Okay, I wish I did this sooner. Anyway, still a content. At least you know that how how can we use our um how can we use our things to make our life easier, right? Okay, so copy paste all these things to your new project, right? Replace. I think this should do. There's only two things that we need to replace: the git ignore and what else? Maybe the readme. Oh, wow! I think the readme. I accidentally replaced the readme. Because this one gonna be replaced, and that's bad, right? So, but it's still a good thing, right? I'll remove readme here. Okay. Because when you come here in your repo, this is how you do this. Discord linker, and then find it, readme, right? This is the one that you replace. So discard changes on this. Just right click it. Okay. So this is the only one gonna get discarded, but everything else will be okay, right? Because right here we add some stuff with our git ignore, right? Okay, so we're not gonna push this because I'll try to do what we're gonna change it. So renames, okay. This tree and then this also in your source and then source slash then public source public slash public. Okay. Anything else now? That's our also the database itself. I'm gonna make a submodule for it, so even if you don't need it or you know, gonna try to. Okay, so BC package um place BC reason 92, right? Then oopsie, automate. Just save it because I'm just worried that you just close and we lose all our stuff, right? Automate, plugin, template. We use it on text for now. Maybe I'll open this um in our uh, desktop. Open it right here. Make it okay. So we're done that. We're not gonna use this config. Okay. Our config, this dev. Make sure we have the config.dev, or else you're gonna throw errors to us. Okay, so let's start changing this plugin template. Discord linker. Like it's okay. It's like that. Just follow because ESA API plugin is, I think it's okay. And then rename this like Discord linker. Okay. Um, I just did copy paste that one. Plugins template, Discord linker. So copy paste this, open it here. Not copy paste, I'm sorry. Source, change it to Discord linker, public. Okay. What else? Library, we don't need that. That's our MySQL. Includes config. Okay, I think that should do. Um, Here we're not gonna do anything in our user and our SLN. We're gonna change this Discord linker and the template. Okay, line 6. Um, where's our text? Right here. What's name? Discord linker. Oh no. Plugin template. Line 6. Making logs out what we are doing here. And let's try. I clean it anyway. I just made like 64 because I don't think that someone's still using 86 like 32-bit of Windows. I doubt it. Okay. And then save that. I don't know if really, to be honest, I don't know if this one is making sense, like, changing it, but I just changed it anyway just to, uniform everything. And it does, I tried it before in our recent projects and it didn't, affect anything. Like you need to generate some kind of this kind, like hashes. You don't need that. You just rename it and you'll be fine. Okay. Oh man, I just stored linker. So our filter, first we here filter line, what's that? Line 45, and then just copy paste this. Make sure you didn't forget anything. This is just a filter anyway. So if you do it correctly, it will show up there. Plugin 10, line 59, line 59, and then I think we need to copy all these things. Let's just this is the one that we're gonna find and replace, right? The other one is 59 right here. Just copy paste it. Anyway, it's up to you if you want to do this, but the moment that I did the batch file, it will just, you will just run it. And I'm looking for another way like CMake, but it's just another way of doing things. Like like if you are developing an Unreal Engine, you just right click the project and generate a solution file, something like that. But I know that they just using JavaScript and to generate those files as well. That's the same thing with batch file. Okay, so I think we're done in this filters. Let's check the project, release, plugin info, uh, copy paste this one, line 20. Where's project? 120, right? Line 20. I'm just gonna find it all before I replace it. Line 30. Line 30. And then let's check if there's a root space here. What's that line? Forgot 40. Line 40. And then here, what else? Plugin tab. Line 42. Line 42. And then I'm making, maybe we just move to the other view instead of doing that, right? Um, what else? Platform 64. You can just do this as well. Plugin template. Or maybe I had S. No. Find all. I only have three. Where's the last one anyway? 42. 30, 20, 30, 40, 42. Well, I have 42. Yeah. It's a different one anyway. And here, line 81. This export. I don't think this one is matter as well because um it will work even until unless you are exporting your your project. I mean your DLL file into other some projects. But I don't think that you're gonna do that. It's better like contain this into one project or into like you don't use them into other dependencies, right? Because it's really hard to maintain that kind of thing. Line 30. So right now we're gonna start to change them into our liking. So 20, start from 20. Word linker, right? Word linker. Then copy paste that right here, line 30 and line 40. ASA plugin template, Discord linker, line 42, project name, Discord linker, and then since we changed the project name, the export one, line 81 here. But here you need to just Discord linker. Okay. What else? I think that should do because this one is just for our server. Okay, so just close that and then this one saves that come later. I will use that for later. So right now we do have the project here. It's uh, wait, it's open to other window. GitHub is like this. It should be like if you do it correctly, you will see the solution right here. Okay. Yeah, Discord linker and then your project, then everything goes. Okay. The next, what we're gonna do here? Oh, plugin template, right? So in every files that you have your anyway, we're gonna need that again. Recent open recent. Can we open recent? This one. Yeah. Okay, so place again. This time I'm gonna put it on the other. Because this one, like the include, this is so much. Let's try to find it plugin template, right? And then find all entire solution. Make sure you are entire solution. Find all. For this one is easy because we have automation in our solution or Visual Studio Code. So all our nameplates we need to replace those things, right? But yeah, that's so much. That's so much. Maybe I'll run if they have like command. I think I can do that in Node.js anyway. So what we're gonna do there, click this one to replace with our Discord linker, right? And then replace everything. So we will have 86 appearances. 86, right? That's so many. Anyway, so right now, after doing that, we're not gonna build it because it will push. It will push to our if you set up your GitHub, like if you can see right here, properties. I have this build event that will push. Oh no, no. Yeah, this one. This will push automatically the moment you build. You can remove that if you want to, but for me, it's kind of handy. But for me, ini. But so if we have something, if we do have some problems, then we can just push it, right? I release the source code right away. But there's nothing. This is just the template. Okay. And then after that, we're gonna do some cleanups yet. But for now, we're gonna try to build it. Let's open our server. Where's my server? This one. Um, and then multiple files. I mean, open because we need a logs and if we have some errors, right? Save and logs, and then say binary 64 logs. Okay. Then another one. Open it. Control N. Go back and then ARC API and then plugins. And then you will see here. After this one builds, you'll see that you see that it just add our plugin right here. But we're not gonna that's the template anyway. So what we're gonna use this be in this video in this tutorial, we're gonna modify our host Discord bot to receive the slash command on Discord, and then our Discord linker as well, right? There's two-way of doing this. But this one we need the dependencies of Discord bot. Um, no, not dependencies. I don't just like I said, I don't want like dependencies. I want like, it will work even though we don't have Discord bot or whatsoever. Right. All right. So going back here, we're gonna do some cleanups because we don't need the other stuff right here. Like yeah, delete player and stuff. We don't really need that, but to disable those things, we can just remove some commands right here. Okay. First, what commands are do we need? Of course, link player. Yeah, you right. slash link. That's so easy, right? What we're gonna do, maybe let's expose some um player get player ID TMD, right? My player get player ID. Yeah, that's so simple. Get player EOS TMD. Okay, get player EOS. Of course, if you want to get player um, board ID, right? That connected to your get player, get player Discord. Thank you so much. Discord ID. Get Discord ID, I think, because you are already player, right? Get EOS, get ID. Get player ID, oh yeah, that I think that player ID should make sense. Okay. Get Discord ID and then get EOS. Okay. I made this EOS there. Maybe we can just EOS ID like this. What else? What we need to do? Because right now, workbench, we go to our workbench, my database anyway. We go some arc SA, Discord linker, not transfer. What's our linker? Do we have linker here? I think we don't have. So I'm going to my live server. Wait, what we are using here. Okay, my Discord linker will like I have like player name, Steam name. Steam name is like the same as player name because this is they change it over time because before it was Steam but they changed it to EOS so you can get Steam ID anymore unless they fix it. Mm. I have Discord ID, Steam ID, player ID, tribe ID, so we can get the tribe ID as well. And our platform is just tribe ID as well, I think. You don't need tribe ID, to be honest. Because that's for admin if you need some kind of, deleting all the tribe ID and stuff, right? If they already left in your server and then you want to clean up their things, you can just use tribe ID to delete everything in their stuff. Okay? Maybe IP. I don't know if we need that IP. Because right now it will change, right? Um it doesn't update your database anyway. So but here we can make like, updating their IP. We can do that. What is this? Request what? I cannot see them. Maybe we can just go here. Columns. Register date. Okay. What we can do, get token, because when they link, sometimes they don't link it to your Discord yet. So what we're gonna do is when you oh yeah, actually we can use this function already while to get our token. So if we type slash link, then if you have already have the token, you can just reveal this again to the player and then put it in their clipboard. So when they go to Discord and they just need to slash link as well, and then put their token there. Okay, and then yeah, we can get our Discord ID in that way. Or after linking it, and then we will send a message to the player. All right, and then let's remove that. For now, maybe we'll just stick on this code. Okay, for message, maybe we'll link message like what we're gonna do here. Give me a moment. Uh, oh, uh, Also, every time we make a project, I'm gonna use Discord to send it to Discord so we know that who's linking their what do you call this? Their profile. I'm sorry, I'm getting lost. Okay. Hmm. Please, what do you call success message? Okay. Um, why I have double link message? Okay, it means that you perform a link, right? Then please perform a maybe flash link on Discord letter so they can see Discord. So, um, what we can do here is this is our token. Then on Discord, I don't know what is one. Maybe your slash command, but anyway, on Discord. And then success message. Uh, I think that's the same one. This is the same one, link message. Success message. Okay. So has to be successfully linked. Okay. That's our success message. So let's say your name or your account. Your account has been successfully linked. Okay. Failed message. Invalid token. Right? That's our failed. And then mhm, maybe we'll just add later. No, don't stress too much. Okay, for now we just need this. For our Discord bot, we don't need guild ID, channel ID. Anyway, wait. Okay, so here, sorry, I think you'll notice the pause there. I just pick up my key. So right now, we're going back here. Where are we now anyway? We need to set hooks, the commands, right? Going back to commands, in our config, we did like slash link to our Discord. So what we're gonna do here, maybe we create a token generator first in our utilities, right? Let's go to our utilities. Where's our utilities? Let me find it. Yeah, I'm looking for my code. So yeah, okay. So utilities. I'm gonna be hiding. What's the hotkey for collapsing my code? KM. I know it's KM, but never mind. We can just create up here. F string. Okay. All we need is string. F string. Generate 6. You can generate code. Token maybe. This is much better because it's more maybe for extendability. We can make in here and then digit, right? Maybe and then the right. Don't have it maybe. What's this chan? Take it. And device. We have it from STD. No. Hmm. Let me pick this one. This is from random. Wait, I forgot to. We have random here. Yes. And then STD MP 97 generate RD. Okay. Response PD. This is just the character set that we could use. So if you want to restrict some letters, it's up to you, right? And then A, B. I'll just copy paste this. This is between that. Okay. String TR token like that. Do another for loop, right? And do you want Shannon? No. You have yogurt. Finish that. Okay, and then we forgot to put while here. I'm gonna put it now. Hmm. On this code, what we're gonna do is we will have some database um, pool, but for later. So we make it where is it? Read player, right? On this read player, what we can do is we can just copy paste them and then check like this. Uh, check token if exists, and then f string the token. Okay, and then from there we can just check, and then our str token like that, and give you string because no, this is boolean, right? So we're gonna return false if it's uh true or false if it's okay. Okay. So if it will here it will loop until while um it's true. So we can just make like while it's false. Mm, it will loop while it's false. But yeah, I think it will loop. It will stop the loop. I'm sorry. When it's false, okay? We can just check it later anyway. And then return our if we're good. Return our STR token if no not exists, right? Okay. You can print like you can do here print no not like this. Log get log one equal count. Okay. Then what you're gonna do in y equals to 0, then k plus plus. Oh, no, not that for loop is in here. Uh, has a different random index equals distribution again, my distribution again. But I have some error here. I forgot to declare that cd uniform in distribution casting to in distribution and then 0 comma char set our char set and then that size minus 1. This one starts to 0, not this character but the array start to 0, that's why we minus 1. Okay, and then after everything declared we do that our char random char set randomize index random index and then str token equals plus equals random start. Okay, great. And this is just for um for us, but we can remove that due to them. Okay, so we might forget that. Okay, so after doing our random generator token generator, What we're gonna do is we escape the token, not the ID. Discord linker, plugin template. No, it is yeah, I think escape string, which is our token. And then copy paste it. Select all from the table name, our table name, and then not EOS ID. What we're gonna do here is I think I deleted it. Token. Maybe we can just check in my live server. Okay, home, live, my vanilla server. We can use the same one. So our token, right? Big letter token. Table name. But here we can just no, just like this. Then make sure it's a string as well. And then table name, escape token, right? And then putting in the result there. And this is just a we are getting absolute. So we are assuming that we have result here. It's not like it's equal. So when it's zero, it return false and return two if there's a token, right? So here we don't need a return for token. We're just checking it. That's why it's true or false. Then return the CR token if we have if not the same, right? So that's cool, right? Okay. And then after that, right here, if you wanna get the platform like I do here, I have like the station Xbox. Depends on you if you wanna sort them out, but I will basically because someone is using this already, so I'm gonna use everything that I did here on my old plugin. Right. Offering get platform in platform. Why we are have some error there. So here F3 platform, then we're gonna use switch case platform PF, maybe PF because we use the platform right there. Okay. K0, I think I use equals to this is like hard coded. Um, I didn't get the real platform for from the game because I think it is just just like this. PF equals to Xbox, but if or Windows maybe. K3 PF equals to PlayStation. Then default is I think the default is like generic, but I didn't put it. I know there's a generic platform. Okay, so that's just like that. Okay, what else do we need? Um, I don't think we don't need much here. Okay. We're gonna remove anyway the other things that we don't need. Okay. Okay. So here, we config this for later on. The load database. I'm gonna change that because we're using a different tables, right? Uh, our table is okay. So here, um, our ID in no, I'm just checking it. Then we're gonna arrange them a little bit. Your name. We can just copy paste this. It's team name. 50 is enough. EOS Discord ID here. Discord ID. And then varchar now. Not null. Because that's required. No, we can just null them. Because it will throw error if you don't. Okay. It's okay for now. I think player name is required. Steam name might get some error, so might as well put it like that. Steam ID is the same as EOS ID, but when they do fix that, it will appear that for our Steam, and then we're not gonna do that. If you want like tribe ID as well, we can do that here. Not now. And but every player has a tribe ID, even though you are a fresh player. It's like you're just a solo tribe platform, right? Platform varchar 50, it's okay. And then our token varchar 6. Oh no, I'm gonna put it 50 because what we did in our generate token depend how many digits you want. Okay, so just put 50 to for max. What you can do is 255 if you really want longer than that, just to make sure that you can cater a lot more than more than 50 or 60. But I don't think that you want to get like 255. That's the max. Okay, that's so long. All right, I created that. We can just stay like that because that's the registered date, right? And our primary. From here, I'm taking IP so I can ban people with their IP, right? IP address. This is just for me, but if you want to do, it's okay. Now for SQLite, uh, the same. Um, Make it smaller so I can have a copy player name. Just arrange it a little bit. Steam name, Steam name, Discord ID, which is the same one, right? Discord ID, Discord ID, EOS ID, and then uh, Steam ID. No, yeah, it's Steam ID, player ID, and then tribe ID, then platform. Anyway, I don't know if you're gonna use SQLite here, but it's up to you. And then token, I put it anyway. IP address, right? Are we done? 255 now. Text platform. Yeah, I think we're done. ID, player name, Steam name, once again. US, Steam ID, player ID, tribe ID, platform, token, IP address, and created that. Okay. So this is our unique. And this is just for our database. Okay. So we're done. Zoom it again. We're done with that. It will automatically create our in your um, We're gonna use this later on. We don't need guild ID. Is if you can find it right here, find all. Do we need it? No, right? So we can just remove the guild ID. If we're not using in-house bot. Okay. Table name this Discord linker. Right. If you have, I don't think that you're gonna use points here. If you want to, like, if they register, you can give them points in the initial points. But the moment they register, if you set it up with ArcShop, they can accumulate every 30, like, what do you call this? 30 points, for example, 30 points per 30 minutes, or maybe 50 points per every 30 minutes. You can do that. But for me, maybe I'll do, like, points DB and permission. We're gonna, where when they link their Discord, we will add them as registered for our permission. That's the purpose of permission here, connection, not the way around. And then for the purpose of points, we're giving them points, right? Okay. And okay, maybe um, give points, set permissions. That's our to do. Okay. In here, we're just gonna check something. Commands, our commands. We go here. Okay. Um, hmm. You can just rename this or add a new one. Link.h probably. Where's our, this is our template. We can close it now. And then this is our Discord linker. Go to your source and then add new file. Okay. Link.h. It's up to you whether you wanted to change the name or whatsoever. It's up to you. Um, this thing, source, and then link. Okay, so we do have link now. Here we this one would, I'm gonna remove that later on. I just need that for, copy pasting stuff. No, so we know that we're gonna remove that. Okay. Uh, or repair items like that. We just need to copy paste the header and then our link right here, and then word callback. Okay. So that's it. That's what you need. But we have a multiple commands right here, and if you can see, get player ID, get EOS ID, but this one is so easy to do. So we go here to our link. We can just add it right here because they are all belong to this linkage, but it's up to you if you wanna separate them as, get player ID, callback, and then what's that, the other one, EOS and Discord ID. Get EOS ID. Yeah, we can use the permission as well because you have an admin, right? So for admin, we can just put them like, only admin can use this, can use that, right? Get player ID. We already have this EOS ID, get Discord ID. I almost forgot the DME right here. Yeah, if you what is it? Board ID callback. Okay. So for admin, if you want to use them as well, or get player, like what we can add here is, because this one is get my dessert, but if you want to like get someone, you know, so get someone, okay, that right, player ID, US ID, get US ID by player name, of course. We don't, or maybe what we can do by board ID, or anyway, we can just do this on Discord. We don't really need this to, if you are using it by Discord ID, right? You can just do this on Discord, like in our bot, right? USID by player name. Of course, player ID by player name, something like that. And then line ID by player name, same thing, right? And then board ID by player name, so IP, like that. Almost the platform. So here we can get to platform as well. Get platform. Uh, Basically every let's just put it here. Those database player name. This is team name. We don't need that. Oh, where? Uh, Player name, team name, Discord ID is TOS. That's the same thing as that. Player ID platform. Okay. Yeah, if we link, it will have a purpose like get open already link. Okay. Because some of the player, like, they already did slash link, but they didn't do anything on Discord, so they not link yet, right? So how can we identify if they are linked? Of course, if they have Discord ID, right? So we don't need to put on the database that if they are linked or not. Um, yeah, if they are not linked yet, then we know that they are not linked because they don't have Discord ID, and we're just gonna show the link Discord callback again. Okay, so get platform. Oh, not my IP, because this one for the if you get your platform, no, not really, right? For player, it's like um this one is enough for player. Get player ID, EOS, and then Discord ID. That's all you wanted to check. But to be honest, you're not gonna check on it because you know I don't know. This is all for admin maybe. So because your player ID and tribe ID. But for any other reason, I don't know. I don't know what is the use for that. So maybe just for future updates for this Discord link. Okay. Then of course our to do's is to um show the logs on to our Discord. Maybe I'll show you my Discord anyway. Here Discord. Yeah. Our bot tester right here. Last time we did the upload element, right? But now what's this update ready? But now here we're gonna do is our logs, like if someone link, right? And What we're gonna do is to host our Discord bot as well, like editing everything here, not everything, like the commands that we have. Because right now we do have like ping and animals, right? Uh, we're gonna add like another for link, link. Okay. Maybe we add it now. If you have different kinds of any other bot, you just add your commands in your Discord. But this one, we're gonna work on the first one, but right now, okay. So we did the link here. This is all pendings. Okay, so first, we write the link first. Okay. How can you do this? Let's see. This what I'm looking right now is my old code, and it's so giving me headache. Anyway, I wanna tell you with this double int here. It's send mode, which is if it's global or not, and then send platform right here. If you go to actor, you will see those. You will see those thing in your chat command. Sender's platform here, and then this one is send mode. Okay, so we are checking first if what we are doing. I'm gonna copy paste some stuff because I wanna do this. Okay, yeah. So we're logging if this one triggers, and then if it's a API, get API utils. And they are dead, right? It's wait, it's giving me error there. Player dead. Need to send the PC, of course, and then return. Of course, we don't want to send them because sometimes if the player is dead, it causes error or missing requirements because it's hard reference, right? Uh, okay. Oh, of course, we're gonna check if the player is already there. Also, if the player is already linked, so you don't get linked. Okay. No, I think we do check first the if they are linked or not. Hmm. Okay. We're gonna do another one here. Copy paste this grid player because that's how we pull, right? Here, press enter here. Oh, grid player. Wait, what we're gonna check? Mm, Check, check link. Okay, then we throw this. Maybe just copy paste this get flag under check right here. Check link. Okay, so Discord linker our F string UFID like that. To string and then escape that. select all from where. Um, anyway, we don't have. Oh yeah, yeah. We don't have. Earlier, I said that we are checking the player if already already linked if they have Discord ID, right? But if they not listed in the database yet, right? So you need to check them as well because this is in game. Um, you only use the Discord ID if outside the what do you call this? Outside the database. I mean outside, yeah, outside the game, which is Discord. Okay, so right here, select all from the table name and where this is our unique, right? Are we using like small ones? Let me check in our utils right here, load database, EOS ID, yeah, EOS ID. Okay, so EOS ID equals to our escape token, which is null escape US. Okay, paste it like that. Then get the result. If it's true, check link. Um, EOS. Okay, so check EOS and then EC get EOS ID, just like that. And then if they are true, which means they are already there, and then uh, we're gonna check if has token else generate. Okay, check if has token and then throw token else generate. Yeah, that's the complete word for it. We can remove that. Okay, and then if they are not, yeah, if they're not listed yet, add player. Okay, just like that. So what we're gonna do here? We're gonna copy paste some multiple stuff again. We do have add player here. Uh, player. Yeah, we can use this add player, but we have a multiple thing like um we're gonna modify this add player here. Okay, using. I put using because I might delete it later on because this comes with the whole template earlier, right? So I put something there. That's why, so I can see if it's um anyway. This one can. I don't know why I did this. This is so many parameters. You know that. What we can do here, everything in this parameter can be obtained just by your PC, right? So sometimes you need to factor your things like that. So there we adding our player, well, adding player, then just remove your PC. Yeah, so for here you can just directly do this. USID, not like that. It's easy. Get USID, and then since if you hover this, you can see F string. Make sure you put F string to that. Okay. For player ID, let's say, I think it's link, something like link. Yeah, get link player ID like that. Anyway, this is just the experience while reading the API and stuff, right? You're gonna make sure it does int, so it's okay. You can just do string like that. and then player name. What you can do is player character maybe. I know it's character. Get character name. Get player character, not that one. Get player character name. I don't know why wildcard doing this. Or maybe yeah, I know now. I get it then. I get them because they're not just a lone developer, or maybe if they're even if they are like indie or single developer, you could do this because sometimes I use a lot of function. I didn't reuse my own function. I make it a lot. Yeah, I did that as well. So you can blame them for the character. The other player name is, declaring F string and then assign it to that. So that's kind of a different kind of getting the player name. But right here is returning F string. So we can just use this one. So player name. What else in our database? So we're gonna change a little bit because it's not the way it is. So it's team name. Right here can do like PC with team. No, it's not. This is different way of doing this. Maybe um API. Let's try if we can get something from here. Yes, it's team name, right? You can get it. But then when you pick definition, I don't want to use ASA API for you as you can do directly, right? You don't like player controller, player state, right? Yes, this is what you're gonna do, player state, and then player name private field. See, you can just directly use it like oopsie like this. PC dot player utils. No, just paste it like this. PC player state field and then the private name field. Okay, so that's it. I just rewrite it because sometimes copy paste makes the Steam name right here. Well, we have space. Uh, leave that the string there. This one F string. This one is the object. Okay, then we're making this. All right, and then don't forget the comma. What to do? Discord. That's add player. Hmm. Add player. Yeah, we're adding the player because it's not there. And then, of course, we're gonna generate the ID, right? So, constant f string token equals to generate token. How many digits you want? For me, it's 6. You can put this in your dev, general. This one, just remove this. We don't need this anyway. Uh, Also the debug thing. I think I remember that I changed that already. Right here on when you load, it's the loading read config, right? Read config, general debug still, right? So what you're gonna do is debug, and then this one is Discord linker right here. So you don't use the general one. Okay. But for this one, uh, token digit, and then would write 6 digits with S, okay? And then, where? we can do here, actually you can put it directly instead of passing uh, int here, but it's not a good thing as well because uh, you know when you need it in some way. Discord linker. If you're playing Dota, alright. Discord linker config, and then our config, which is general when dot value, use the value open digits and then 0. Or maybe the default one is probably 6. Is that so? If that one missing in this config, it will just return the 6. Okay. And then I'll just copy paste this one right here, and then let's just USI. No. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's okay. Steam ID. Okay. In your ASAAP API utils that Steam. This is Steam ID. I don't have Steam ID. Yeah, this one is not working. What we can do, let's ASAAPI. Where are you guys? Yeah, wait, it's open again to my other window. This is what I do. Oopsie. What did I just do? Did I just drag something? Control F, Steam, so we can find any related Steam words. You get player ID for Steam ID, which is in our game mode. But I think yeah, get player ID for Steam ID. So it requires Steam ID, so that sucks. Yeah. Find player platform Steam name. Find player from platform name. That's not that one. Yeah, I think they remove it because it's not gonna work because it's the same as US ID for now. Here US ID from controller. See, get unique net ID as string instead of this one before it was Steam ID, but right now it's EOS. And we can find anything regarding to our current no entire solution. I did this. Yeah. So even in our let's try to check here in our cache. We might find something valuable cache, and then your offset. Open in Notepad++, and then you can see here Steam. Get player ID for Steam. Maybe find all. Get player. Get Steam ID for player ID. Oh yeah, this one could be one. Get Steam ID for player ID. Get Steam. Wait, I don't get it. Wait, what we gonna do here? This is another technique. So copy paste the game mode, right? The game mode and go to your dumper, which is the one that Pelayori made right here. Then paste it like that, game mode, and they compile, right? Then it will come to your download. rename it so you don't get confused because every time game mode.h, right? And then open it, and you don't need this anymore. Put it back where I took it. And then right here, make it bigger so we see. What we're gonna check, game, find all, find all, unsigned, Steam IDs field, Steam IDs field, Steam map. Oh, not that one. API key field, included. I get player ID for Steam ID. One there. Get Steam ID string. Oh yeah, this one we can use because we're gonna get the Steam ID as a string. And it's shooter game mode right there. Game. Let's find other one. Maybe we can get more. But yeah, I think this is useless, but I just do it anyway, just for you. We can just copy paste this, right? What we can do in AsaAPI, where are we? Here, right? We don't have any other Steam something. So F string, we're just gonna copy paste all of this and then put it right here. Added. So you know that it was been added by you. And then don't compile it. Okay. Just save it. So just making sure that there's no error. Okay, everything's good. We did that. And then go back to your linker. What you're gonna do here is on game mode, right? So how can you get the game mode? First, you can just first view big definition of this API, right? When you go up here, they can tell you something about getting game mode, shooter game mode right here. You see that been been made for you, or get API you get game, get shooter game mode like this. Then you don't need anything. It's like get Steam. You see this? It's accessible now, right? Then what do you need right now? Oh, this time we are assigning instead of returning the values. We can go back. Yeah, it's assigning. You have something. Find. Oh, wait, it's like two. Get Steam string ID. It's gonna crash if you use this. Because I don't know. Because this one we have is from the new one. I don't think they changed this, so I'm not gonna use this one. Anyway, but let's try. Let's try if we can get the string from this, or else we need to use this one instead, like the assigning method. Or it looks like they changed it, cause look, it's like this already, like rerouting it. Anyway, let's just try it. Of course, how can we get the player? PC. Player ID. Yeah, we do have this one already. Just got it and then put it right here. But it's keep us doing this. Tutor game mode. It's not reflecting yet. Get string. Get get Steam ID string for player ID. Yeah, that's correct, right? But why it's not giving us the right, because it's not, maybe it's not reflecting yet. But let's try when we compile this later on. If we get what we want, okay. You can just do constant string uh team ID was like this. Team ID like that. Okay, so what else? Steam ID, player ID, tribe ID. For tribe ID, I think tribe ID has this one as well. Get tribe ID like that. But what we're gonna do is we're not gonna use that, of course, because you want to use our own. So player character targeted like that. No, 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 no. PC targeted, targeted, targeting team ID field, targeting team ID field. Uh, is it in? This is in, so we're gonna use this to make it string. Okay, so tribe ID, we almost done here anyway. So, um, is this the platform? And then for platform, either we want text, right? We did a function here, get platform, int platform, right? So here, get platform, and then we're gonna use, oh man, mm, platform, find all. This is not the one. Let's command arc extension platform, get EOS ID, get tribe ID section. Because I'm using this right away, instead of, maybe we need to pass it. Uh, Discord linker, right? So we're adding here. What we need is here. We call it sender platform. Okay. We're not gonna use the send mode. I just want you to show what it's like, and well, this is what we need, the int here. So maybe we're gonna pass another int here, because who sent it. right? And then under flat, we're gonna do is under flat, right? Like that. Then our token, uh, the string, are we using, yeah, we're using token, and then our token, almost done. Then IP address, IP address, okay. Now what we're going to do for our IP address, mhm, mhm, layer controller, mm, is PC, um, get player network, and yeah, that's it. But it's a F string and result. Hmm, we're not gonna do this because it's a different way of doing this. F string in IP IP address, right? Of course, we assume that the player has is already. This is the one way of you know um, doing stuff like assigning the address, but it's the constant there. Okay, and then paste it from here. IP address. Then our register date and whatever. I think we're good. Yeah, I tried to pick definition, but it's not going. Anyway, because I'm worried about that if they don't update this before, they might, you know, just remove this, the one that we add. Anyway, we have the backup there. We can just use it anyway. I think that's why I'm getting error here because um I'm not like it's not being updated by the intelligence. It's that's a big that's this is API is a big project, so it doesn't read everything yet if you update something. Why? What we need here is and team ID, right? Like that. So we can use this team ID right now to our string. Okay. Why we do have error here? Double check if you miss some commas, right? You might miss or you have excess commas, but still you don't have, you do have problem yet. Wait, let's find it. String, that's correct. Where's our error? String to string. Like no, Mhm. No instance. What? Maybe I forgot to put. I think I need to like this, and then the Steam ID. Because we're using std string here, so that might cause the issue. It says here like no instance of constructor. Std string, right? Matches the argument list. That means that we have something here that not using a string. Oh, maybe this one. No, we're returning f. Oh yeah, we were returning f string to this to string. Yes. Okay. Um, yeah, it go away, right? But this one, it will cause issues later on. So we remove that. Okay, so the get platform function is returning an int that we need to make it to string or f string rather. Yeah, and then we're gonna create database settings there. Let me check my. Okay, um, we're done with add player, so we can just add player after um there and check EOS if we are exist. In the database, what we're gonna do here is check our token if we have token. Um, right here we do have check token, but this checking kind of token is if just already exists, but it don't check if you have token or not. The EOS guy, the check player. Uh, I wanna use F3 here. Uh, get player token like this because if we do check, it will return blank. If not, and then that way we're gonna generate another token for that player. It just means like it's been added but no token. But definitely we're not comes to that thing because we already adding token right here. So it is impossible to the player that missing token, right? So maybe I'm dummy. Maybe I'll rephrase what I'm saying. Okay, so check EOS ID. If it's true, so player existed, it means it's the player as slash link, use slash link already as here, right? And then what we are doing is checking existing player that already did slash link. So what we're gonna do here, check if token show token if has token. No. If has player already, something like that. And then get player token is that's how we do it. Okay. F string. I'm sorry. it makes me, if I make you confused, get player token. So again, we can just what am I doing wrong here? Token. I'm kind of changing my parameter right now because right here is obviously that I use camel case. But oh, okay. So here we're not gonna return boolean. Because you're using USID, escape ID, discord linear escape ID. The select all from where table name where USID is equals that, and then group ID string, and then we're putting the result from here. Give me a second. One thing is like this. Okay. So our F string, no, it's STD string. We're gonna convert it later on. Token equals to results, which is we assume it only one, supposedly only one, and a map. But um, wait, over here we token, and then no, uh, yeah, I think this is the right thing. But what you can do is F string. Then we know that this is std string, right? What we can do is like this to convert it right away, and then return token. Um, token. But what if there's no record, right? What you could do is if results websites would be more than, right? Or else turn um e wait um the result, not result, because it should has result. If no result, we need to throw some error that no result, right? Log. But I doubted that this will happen. Um, right, okay, but we are returning blank as to be safe. Okay, like that. Okay. I think we might change this because I doubt my coding right here. Okay, yeah, we can just copy paste this. Uh, yeah. Then PV. Like, okay. Uh, what we're gonna do here, there's a thing that we can add, like a good one for that. Because let's say you choose to have a huge token, like 20 digits, right? Or 20 characters. But, you just make a player, suffer from your doing. We're gonna do is find clipboard. Think there's a good clipboard paste clipboard copy, right? They have a genetic platform. Find all clipboard. How can we use this anyway? I think they have um not in API, I think. Clipboard copy. No, 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 no. Give me a second. I'll find it. Because I have that one clipboard like when you. Yes, this one. But it's not showing. I don't know why. Maybe clipboard. Yeah, it's clipboard. But oh man, I think yeah, this one, camel, the case, it's on. That's why it didn't show. So here, there's a lot of clipboard here. What we could use is this one. Copy string to clipboard, right? Then going back there, yeah, is this our project? Yes. So f string, right? Token equals to here, f string, right? Is the clipboard string? F string, yes. Okay, so what we're gonna do is PC equals to clipboard copy or to clipboard, not that copy string to clipboard. Okay, and then your token. Why needs to be constant? No, I think it's just like this. Okay. Yes. So what we're doing here, of course, we're gonna send some message to the player. You can just copy paste some stuff here that we already did before, like this one. Okay. Send notification, but I doubt it because what we need here is message. Okay. Um, we can remove everything here and then change send server probably. Yeah. Let's try it. Not all because they will see your message. I mean your token. F color list uh, and message. I think chat message will be fine because not server message. And chat message. Not to all, of course. What we need there is player controller, your sender name, who's the sender. We can just say it's for linker. Then what else? Sender name, your message, of course. And then the argument. Um, What we can do here is and Discord. Do we have something? Your message has been linked like that. Okay, link message. We're gonna use this anyway. Next message. Link message. We're gonna get this one to our from our link message is for linker config, right? What's our config? Messages and then link message. Messages and then um well you can do this directly as well if you want. And it's std string. So what we're gonna do is do it directly, right? And then comma the no that t string. If you need to slash link and then your token, um, token that to string like that. Okay, then the error goes away. But for Discord linker, what you can do is we have here a sender Discord name probably. What you can do a sender name Discord name probably. It's like it's okay. For linker, we can just do this. Okay. Then from there, uh, we will make it as well, and then just Discord linker, and then our Discord bot, and then Discord name, right? Discord bot, and then our value, Discord name, just like that. And make sure you are to string. No, C string. Okay, this is it needs F string for the sender name. Okay, and then just remove this one. So we're just sending it to the player that you need to link it to Discord. So the link will already generated and then it will already in your copy clipboard, and then when you paste it to your Discord, yeah, it will just paste it like that. Paste the token and then just link, right? Send message fetching. Okay, so I think we're good. Slash link. Okay, so when we are slash link, let's see if we have some problem. Maybe we will debug it later. But that's it. Just as simple as that. That's everything we need here, I believe. Right? Yeah, I did a lot of code here in old plugin. I don't know why, but I I didn't realize that this is the so simple thing that we can do. Okay, but then we're gonna remove everything there because this might cause issues later. What we have here is we have link or Discord. Oh man, just wait. Oh man, look what I'm doing. I just control Z with that guy. All back, and then control Z this guy, paste it, and then link Discord. Okay, paste it, and we can just remove this because we have a copy paste for later on in this guy. And make sure you change your link Discord slash link into that one, and make sure you have everything link Discord callback. Okay, so we have add and remove. We don't need this yet. We can make it like that so it don't include. Also, um, read player, read config, read player, delete player. We're not gonna use that. Uh, this is better. If zero, and then uh, but on the bottom and if. Okay, you can minimize them. What else do we need to command string? We need that later on. Yeah, we're gonna add permissions, right? We're not gonna use the dependency for permission. So, for example, what we have here is a permissions group. Maybe close everything, close all. Okay. Oh no. Okay, just close that. Anyway, this is the one that we need. If we have permissions group, right? I have. It's up to you. Depends on you. For me, what I'm doing is when you link, you have you need to change them as registered, right? The players, Archa players here. Um, I'm using this anyway. Not this one. Sorry, not Archa players. Rather, players. Okay. In players, you have everything. So they will have a default, for example, at first, right? And then, uh, when they register, of course, we want to add registered like this. Registered. Okay. So me, I have registered. Okay. So everything has a default because that's default. Or if you want to make sure that link only works on default layers, right? So they don't link, they don't spam, they don't spam. Uh, Player permission. Okay, so the default we can use this. Why T array? Yeah, it's T array. Um, link. Maybe we can add it here. Uh, T array permission equals like that, and then copy paste your EOS ID right here, then paste it like that. Okay, so if player firm that has contains, sorry, contains default, right, and then return. But of course, you need to add exclamation point here. So if the player doesn't have contain or doesn't contain default, then return. And one more thing, return them as well if they are already registered, so they don't spam the command, right? Player perm contains registered, or what do you want to be? Um, yes, registered, or any other code. But this one should be on the config side, right? Because exclude link probably. What we can add here is excluded permission. Excluded permission. Because this one should be used by uh, let's say register. Okay, like that. Because that one should be used by other, not just programmer, but you. Okay. The array. No, we're gonna use vector here as the vector. Um, excluded equals score linker config, and then our config, which is excluded permission that uh, get the vector. That's it, right? Are we wrong about this? Why we don't have get? Because maybe we missed this. Because that vector is a string type, right? Then our excluded wait, how can we compare this? Compare what uh, what I'm thinking about is to make another function just to check this. Because I think we need to make a loop. Or we can do it right here. Because excluded must have like another. What's that? Stop flipping. Okay, so I think we need um to loop. Yes, we need to loop. No, trying to find a better way to compare two arrays, right? Because I think we need to convert the vector to TI so it just matches, you know. Um, wait, let me see. Player permission file. Because I think find by predicate should be good as well. I think I did the find by predicate. I want to make it simple. Find that predicate. Hmm, is if this one, because you might put, maybe let's just make it a simple for now, and then let's find another way there later on if way to the depth string because I know that I can make that find by predicate, but it will make complicate. It will complicate our thing. No, what did I do? I put it there. Okay. Okay. So here, do the put it- yeah. So they kind of dynamic our thing. So it will return if it include your thing. I mean your USID get player permission, player permission contains player permission, and then return, which is the no, it should be default. Okay. Player not equal contains default. You will return, but here include yes. I want to make it um here included. So I want to make that like this as well. So for the other, so they, because sometimes they create a single, single permission. So that makes our thing is, so if not no included, then we'll just return. Won't let you do any linkage. Okay. Yeah, I think this should do, and we can just try it. But first, we're gonna turn up something. Set timer. So I'm gonna do this. But for now, we leave it like that because we might need that in the future. It's generate hooks. For hooks, What we can do on the hooks. On the hooks, we can player online. So whenever it's the player online, we can update their Steam ID. Uh, do update player details like IP address, player name. They might change their name, team name. What else? Discord. What you could do is they can link another Discord as well for the function. Maybe tribe ID. Because if they change tribe, right? Oh yeah, I think that will be it for this hooks. Because the only thing that when they online, what we're gonna do is update their thing, right? Yeah, just to do for that. What else? Change this. Uh, I think we need to do this because it will cause issues. Even the timers. If zero like that, it will cause issues later when we compile. Okay, so what else? Everything is okay. Do utils for our utils. This will might cause issues as well from here. If zero start with, we don't need this one yet. For points, we need that because we wanted to give them points uh when they what you call it, when they register, right? But uh, wait, but for now, do we use player USID? Get player permission. Get player permission. This one right here. Okay. Yeah. Get player by USID. Okay. I'm not gonna use this, so but we might need it later on. So player we're using that. Get player token. Get player database and stuff. Zero if zero. If okay, I think that messed up right. Let's try to compile this right now. Oh, what else we do is this is just giving us token, but we're not linking it yet, right? I don't get token what? To put it up there. The timers we forgot this one. The hooks. Not gonna do that yet. Okay. Are you? I think we missed something again in our, yes, this one. Um, included contains what we do here. Layer permission. The array of string contains. Yeah, it is Boolean. I think I need to constant this. Just, make it a pointer instead. There's no conversion, constant comparison type. Wait, wait. Std string, constant string, and item. Maybe like this. What's am I wrong doing here? Why I click that. Or maybe I need to make it F string. But it says here it accepting, yeah. Or maybe the permission I have is F string, the array F string, and I'm yes, I think so. How you doing, guys? I think this one would do the trick. Wait, URL comes in. Perfect. Wait. I'm sorry. I think why this player perms? Hmm. Wait, I have something in mind. Since that one was turning a string, then we should do this as well. Just to send it, uh, because our array is a string, so I believe that that's the one who's causing the issue. Yes, see, I'm correct. All right, so we're done. We're done compiling the project. what we're gonna do is going to our Discord bot before running the whole thing. So this to do, just make your no name then link. But don't do this if you have link command link na other. But I think they will it still work as long as you choose the picture of your bot. Okay, art SA or link. Okay, we have options. We do have options, I think. No, I think it's just a string or options. We need input or bot input. I'm looking for the ping because if just you know options input. Looking in the documentation anyway. Not an option. Input option. Input option. Okay, D plus plus. This is showing a different thing for me. So what we're gonna do here in our bot um samples basic maybe this option input. I want input slash commands using slash using message components. Do we add buttons? No. No. Buttons. String. This is a choice. What we need is we need to let them input, input a message or input our token, right? Using coroutine. Let's find another way. It's like flash command, reply pong, not that. This is Discord G. They are just side by side. Maybe let's go Discord Go. Go to yes. This the same anyway. Input. We can just input flash command. We got some kind of flag. Let's try autocomplete. Add a string option, probably. Yeah, a string option. Do we have search option? Wait, option. Command data slash command component autocomplete. Maybe this autocomplete gives us something. Commanded option. Or maybe just like that. Let's try it first anyway. Where's our Discord? I think it's just this one and then maybe response if true to response and then option. Our option is like string option name. Just copy paste that. But here token, right? And then name is token as well. Um if your mm, token required, of course, this is it's a required. We're not gonna put any choices because that's not an choice thing. This is an input thing. I think if you don't put choices there, it will make automatically. It's like that. And then our discord.h on bot ready on slash command. I think we're gonna put it right here. But yeah, as we already added here, I think it will automatically create their own thing right here, right? But the moment they uh command name, where did we put our animals here, right? Then our ping, it just have that response now. We're not gonna put response so we can this one will continue because like right here it has a response, so this is just a basic um commanding. Look at here, there's no response, so by that we need to create our own code for this. So this one we're gonna remove the response so it will read as minimize this one, minimize the animals as well. So that put comma right here and then paste the link, right? You can minimize this one as well. So we have this one. We're gonna make our own thing. For example, right here, or paste it there equals to link, of course. So what we're gonna do here is getting our Discord ID, I believe. This is the Discord ID, right? Then get event parameter animals, which is token or animals name token, string token, token. So this is our parameter and this is our Discord ID. Okay. So what we're gonna do here is like this. Um, Discord bot. We do have hmm, utils. You go to your utils. Maybe we have something here that we could use. Don't. We need to find it one by one. Why it's like so many? Get command, get permission, get prior, add play, read player. So we can just copy paste this, then close it right now, right here. Um, get token. Oh no no no. Player word link. Okay. Then we are sending token instead because that's what we gonna find instead of anything, right? So we're gonna paste it right here. Um, if okay, and then yeah, else, right? Okay, so we're sending the token a string, but here we're gonna accept f string, right? So what we're gonna do here, string, cover it like that. Okay, so if it's true, we found or found the token there, and it's okay. Then uh, link, and then here something went wrong, but we need to reply it again because it will cause error if you don't. Okay, and uh, we are uh, that's being linked. Okay, like that. We don't need to send anything. This is just link. Ephemeral is like this. Wait, did I mess up? Mess up one open and close parenthesis right there. So we are sending only to the guy that sent it. So no one will know. No other guys. Okay? Then something went wrong while linking your account, or uh you have put a wrong token, or put a invalid token rather. So that's about it. And just close this one. For link, yeah, we can just reply them as like that. Okay, but here we need to change this one as well. Go to your H file. We're gonna connect this to our database because we don't have one yet. Discord database, right? And then I think I did the wrong explanation right here. That we need to set here on our linker. That we need to when the player linking, we need to set the permission from here. No, it should be right here. We need to set permission when they link properly. Because when you put the linking here, I mean the permission right here, um, the user has already permission, so he can do anything with that permission. Uh, but it's not registered yet or linked yet. So here we're gonna put the linking here. Okay, so we escape token, token, and token, like that. Then select all from the table name. What's our table name? I kinda we need to add something here. Plug in host Discord bot table name. We're not gonna look here. You should be looking for Discord linker. I hope I can make this more so anyone can use this. So this kind of hard coded in a way that no one can use the Discord hosting. Right? They need to code. I'm kind of thinking that how can we make like a command slash commands that anyone can use and do the purpose of like this, right? Uh, yeah. So reading Discord link when the token passes, which is this. For now, we're gonna return false. If result size uh, like this, if it's true, and then and maybe and results. Because yeah, we're getting the results already, so we don't need it. So if we have results, we need to put um update update. I did something wrong again here because we are sending the token, but maybe when it's true, we just leave it like this anyway. Put it back. One function at a time, one purpose. What I mean. May this one, if you have this player, no. Check token, check token. That's it. What I'm thinking, check token. So if the token is true, like you have the same match as the token, right? And then what you're gonna do is here, we're gonna make another function right here that we're gonna use the update function like we have here. We can just copy paste it. Where is it? Read player, update player. Okay. What we're gonna update uh, player name, not the player name. Discord ID like that. And then what's our identifier is the token as well. Right? Token. So we're gonna use that one again and then paste it. Make sure you convert it to F string and then our Discord ID should be F string probably as well. Um What you could do is this one is already string, and we are trying to std string here, escaping the string, right? What you could do is you can do like a std string, but for the sake of Unreal Engine is just I'm doing that. Okay, so we don't convert it right here. Token and then your Discord user string. Okay, like that. Then make sure you close that one. And if you want to update player, like if if it's true or not, and then else is your account has been linked, and then if error like this. What you could do here is if you have lots of else right that do like this. Okay. Okay. No. If this one's true, this one. If this one true, return because you already event reply, and then I think we need to have error for the false, right? Just to save us writing a lot of things. If error, and do like this, okay, and then else error equals true, then else again here error equals, this it means you get error because don't put return, it might cause error with socket. It might stop your bot for doing it. I don't put it return right there. Okay. Yeah, so this one is true. Okay, so modifying this, we don't need to add string there because it's already string. In our Discord, we're gonna token and then Discord ID, escape ID. Okay. Okay, both of them. Uh, what we're gonna do is our data. We're not doing this token. We're not updating the token anyway. We're only updating the ID. So Discord ID, maybe ID. Let's check what is utils. Okay, load database. Discord small d right there. Discord. Right, so this is just the data that we want to. The condition is this is where we check our token. Make sure token. Unique ID. No, we're not gonna use unique ID because we are using like token unique ID is not like that. So token, we are comparing token equals to escape token. Okay, then host will update config table name, which is not gonna happen because we need to update the Discord linker instead. Okay, in the data and then that one. All right, we have a different ID. Maybe you can put this in config so you can have a different Discord linker plugin. But anyway, if you this is for the bot, right? So we have updated. I think this should do. Let's try. Let's try. Let's try. So this one will we haven't done the updating permission in this case. We are trying to link the player for now. It's been already 3 hours. Duh. Okay, so we compile this and we compile that. Right now we're gonna run our server. I think we have updated. Oh, did I update my? If I update my arc, oh man, I have updated it right here yesterday. So I might not get connected with this. Let's try the private database. What is this? Arc shop asking me to create table. What? Critical failed to create table. So I'm gonna close that one. We do have arc shop here. Or maybe wait. Let's try arc shop. Then our config to our arc shop. We might using a different connection with our arc shop. After cluster. Yeah, arc shop. Damn, that's great. Create table. Maybe create table. I forgot to add. Yeah, it's been administrator, user privilege. Oh, I cannot see my privileges. Okay, I'll use this one has everything. User privileges, arcs dev. Maybe I'll add this one. Alter and create probably. Uh, That's about it. Apply. No. Wait. Maybe I need to do it on console. But I did. I did. I remember I did. I did add. Wait, I'll post it from here. Yeah, so after adding permission to my thing, user privileges, refresh, it's not art ASA. What what happened that I cannot click anything? Anyway, Arcsa dev, right? Arcsa dev and then scheme privileges. Yeah, I can do create now. About alter, I don't think that I have alter there. Anyway, can just leave it like that. Drop, we can drop. Yeah, alter. Okay, that's what we need. Anyway, I can just add again if I need to. Because I'm just trying to restrict this developer user, so it can't create a table name on that. For now, we shouldn't have a problem here. Okay, so running our server, but I think we do have another problem because I might when we play this we might can't join because um my art is like updated in the server now. I Where is it? There's some item shortcut art ASA. I mean, yeah. So we don't have a problem with art shop now. Load bot. What's that? Okay, let's just wait that for that one to be. Yeah, I cannot find anything here because wait, I need to update my server as well, right? My live servers. Uh, we can do. I'm just gonna show you where my server is. Arc Ascended server. I'm using oh man, I'm using a manual anyway. My server is off, or maybe someone of my friends. Yeah, just run this. This is fresh because it's booting, right? We don't need to. Maybe that's why it's off. Okay, so we cannot all registered. You can do here is like slash link, so you can see here, right here, and then the token. Oh yeah, the token that we want. Okay, good stuff. Okay, so what we're gonna do is to close the server and then let's update it. Update this server. Okay, I'm gonna post it so you don't wait too much because it's been 3 hours already. Oh, after updating it and running it, check if you have our server, test server here. I'll show you that I don't have. mm, Let's refresh this player. This is me. I'm gonna change it. Remove this. My permission. Apply. And then what's next? Do we have Discord linker here? Yeah, this Discord linker. So we all everything we have here. We don't have it. We're not sure yet. Okay. So what we're gonna do, let's open our notepad to making sure. No, we don't need that. Sorry. Last link, right? What? Warning. What's this warning is about? What happened? It's loop until or think we have something wrong with our. I close it right away because you know. Hmm, our loop. Where is it? Check token or generate token probably. This is looping endlessly right here. This is wrong. I'm sorry. It needs to be true, so it will stop the loop when it's true. We're checking our select all from table name, which is our table name. What's our table name anyway? Hmm. This is wrong. Because the moment that this is correct, but when it's zero and not there, generate token. We need to save the token in the database. We're checking the size. Maybe we need to wait. When we slash link, we need to insert the database first. Because when we do this, check EOS and then return false, right? Then we add player. Did we add player? Let's see. It's called linker or pref. We didn't even add it. So this one not working. Why there's an error? Never mind that. I think just that's just AI. I mean intelligence. Your permission contains change. We are checking EOS here. Hmm. Why check EOS? Where's our EOS? Put EOS and then table name, which is our table name, and then escape US ID. US ID equals yeah. And then it will return zero. Because what you can do is that get log one to make an easy result that size like that. Like that. Check US, right? So if it's true, it has player there, get player token. This one that I'm looking for. Add player. We go there first. Mm, we are generating token right away. That's why. Before adding the player. This one, create. This what we're gonna do here. Wait. We can just update after creating, but no, this is not. This is not how it can directly make it. But the problem is the checker. How can we know that it is? Hmm, maybe we use the different one. Generate token. Because this one is checking the token if the token is already exist. Okay. So also zero that if we have the size means nothing there, right? Okay, true. Because it means there's nothing. So this one is valid because there's not no any result yet, right? Then else, this is where it changes. Okay, but this result the zero, which means we found it, we found something, but token equals mm-hmm, maybe C string. Wait, if it's F string, it's like that, and then if it's equals, return false. If it's true, I mean, if not equals, return true, right? So this is, I think that will be the fix for our issue. So let's just compile this and try it. But I doubt it that you're gonna get the same. But sometimes, because it is a random, not a unique seed. Okay, so it's loaded. We'll just wait for a bit for our server running. All commands deleted. It's refreshing our command. We need to delete those because if we don't, this one is linked to the old command. It won't work. Or let's check our database. Just make sure we don't have players. We don't have refresh. We don't have permission yet. I don't think that we're adding permission. I think we're not. Still not up. Accept. We're up now. Why is my live server still not up? I wonder if there's something wrong happened. Yeah, nothing wrong. It's really taking so long to. Okay, so what we're gonna do here is slash link. Okay, so we added. You have. Oh no, it didn't have. It didn't send message to me. Still working? No, still working. Our token is token. What? Hmm. Iteration zero. It sends right. What we have here. Result count zero. Iteration count zero. So here. Mm, yeah, token. Mm-hmm. I forgot something. Where's our database? Refresh. Clearly, it adds us here. As you can see, we have our token here. My everything is right here. But the problem is we didn't do this and this one. What we can do here is like that. Okay, so we are returning the token here as well, so we can pass it like this. And then at the end, we are sending the message to the player, and then um adding it to our clipboard. Right now, I'm not gonna compile it because I wanna try the second one. Is here, should be here, the early code there, but I haven't tried it. Right. So when I do this slash link again, shouldn't add player, and then shouldn't create token for us because we already have one, right? What you're gonna do is putting the existing token to our clipboard and then say something. Okay, now please perform a link and then our token on Discord. All right, you can put some color in it as well if you want to. Maybe I can do that. Okay, and then it's on our clipboard. So when you enter, paste it, and then that's your token right there. And then what we're gonna try right now is let me just escape it so I can pull up my mouse outside. It's like link. If I just press enter it, it will requires me to put something else. If I put this one, maybe let's try it. ASD. Oh, oh, it crashes our server. Server didn't respond. So we need to find, yeah, these logs. Edit, brush talk, edit. So what's the cause of the issue? Check token 265 on slash command something wrong. So Discord linker, no, the host Discord, right? Then up, utils, it says utils 26 something 265. It's right here. Hmm? Well, what did I say? 265, right? So 265. This one has something wrong. So what's our token then? The parameter token. Because I did put ASD in it. And then it will cause an issue because what it says string value. Yeah, I did go to toString. That's the same thing if I pass std string in it. One pass error. Hmm. I wonder what is the value of this thing. Um, it didn't respond, right? So we can just maybe we cover them up for now and then let's try to send our token right here so we know what is really like. Okay, this is a quick one. Okay, so after compiling it, gonna send. We're gonna run the server again. All right, so let's try it. I'll give you one. Don't take it. So we're joining now. I hope this should do. Man, forgot to compile the other one. Anyway, it's fine. Right now, we're trying to link our in our Discord bot, right? That it want us. Let's try this. Link tab, then ASD, right? It should return ASD, right? It should return. Yeah, it should return ASD. So, for example, yeah, that should do. And then we know that this one is okay, but then there's something wrong here. So I think I need to FTD string. I'm sorry. No, it's F string. Just token like that, and we F string here. First, std string there. We need to remove this one. Okay, so that should do. And Control B, Control Shift B. And then I'm gonna build this later on. For now, let's stick on our Discord because we already have a token. What we need is trying to match it. Discord, where's our Discord? Yeah, all bot has been removed. Then link, trying to hack something. Yeah, it crashes again. I don't know why it crashes. Let's see this crash stack here. Yeah, it's the same thing as 265. It's not. It's not this. Discord bot games. Who takes you? Yes, this being passed as our token that is string, but why is giving us escape string error right here? And we have something wrong here with the token as well. Maybe that's our problem, but I don't think so. What I could try is string. So maybe that's the problem. Okay, so we're good now. We're starting the server again. You see the ephemeral. You can just dismiss it without chatting. Okay, servers up. We're gonna try to link. Link ASD. It's conflicting again. Why? I think I know what we're having now because this one, as you can see here, um, it will gonna crash. You know why? Because I just put anyway, like this one and this one there. Because I was thinking why it's not. Because our escape string is made on our database connector, and that function is not being declared. Or, I mean, it didn't even connect to your thing. So, what we're gonna do now is look for our load database right here. We just open them up. Right. And then this one is the one that we um, comment for now because we don't have this yet. And then so yeah, when the we create table if not exceeds, maybe we create our database. We can do here. Mm, Maybe we just left that US ID because this is our. uh, Anyway, we're not gonna use this. This is just a drop, so we can have a connection. Either otherwise, you can you don't you just connect them, create table, and then it will. What we need here is like this one only. We can just leave them. If I haven't tried this anyway, but right now we're gonna try this. And there, that we don't need anything from them. We just the connector itself, which is this one, create connection. Well, we can create connector. So we are connecting them. Uh, we can copy paste all the settings from because we're not creating, right? Our Discord linker, which is now config dev plugin db settings, right? You can do multiple connection as well if you want. Where is it? Where is it? Make sure the first one that it will connect, or else you're gonna give you error. Okay, so we're placing it there right now. Plugin DB settings, right? So we are connecting to our Discord linker database, just like that. And then let's try it. Just try to update. Make sure you are calling load database. Sorry, yeah, I'm not calling it. Cancel it right away. Cancel. Oh yeah, I cancel it. Yeah, load database. And then here we're not doing it. Right. Okay. Building it again. Where the server still running. Just wait for them to reload, and hopefully that our plugin loads the database. We'll see here anyway. Load bot is ready. Nice config, load database right there. You can see that. Then open our Discord slash link ASD. Escape token ASD. And now something went wrong while take linking your account, or you have put a it should be an invalid token. Okay. But here we seeing that raw token is ASD. Nothing wrong with our code. Like earlier, as you can see, I just found out that we're not using database, and that function, or else you can just use different kind of escape string, but then we are gonna use it here, like updating the database, right? So you still need to do your even the reading stuff you need to do it. So I'm gonna remove the logs from here and just make sure that we have everything we need. Um, right now we still not linking anything. Right here, here, right? I'm gonna we don't have Discord ID yet. So after this compiles, wait for the loading, and then what we're gonna do is linking our even if we're not online, just making sure that because we don't. I was thinking earlier that we need to log in, but it doesn't matter, right? Should connect even though what link I don't have it, so I'm gonna copy it, paste it. Oh, maybe what we can do here is to join. Let's say you don't have your link or forgot to link, then it's long gone because you don't have copy paste. What you can do here is slash link again, then it will give you the token. Or maybe if you are skeptical on anything, you can just generate a new one and save it and give it to the player. But for me, a token is still valuable. Just wait to connect and then we will perform a slash link. Okay, so we're here now. Slash link. Okay, so it gives me, yeah, please perform a link, and then right there, go back to our Discord and then paste it from here. Just paste it. Okay, then when I enter, your account has been linked. Yay! So we don't have any logs anyway. But right here, when I refresh my database, it will show my Discord ID right there. So perfect. So that's indicates that our um our thing is connected. I mean, um our I'm sorry. Our thing is, yes, yes, yeah, is connected. So we're not gonna do the permission there. We should connect the permission from here instead of the other way around, right? Is maybe you just enable this for permission, then after updating the player, when you update, then add permission right here. Add permission here. Maybe I'll do it in the next part of the video. But for now, that's good to go. We're linking it, and I think we did some issues earlier, right? Um, where is it? I haven't compiled this anyway, the Discord linker. Right now, I'm gonna compile it and let's try again. So you can just dismiss this and no chatlet over there. And I'm just gonna element transfer Discord. Oh no, I just compiled it so I cannot drop this anyway. What I can do is truncate and then deletes everything, right? And then going back to our game, and then when I link, should work, right? Link should work. And then gives me a new token. And then when I paste it, it's right here as well. Okay. Earlier, our problem is like, it's not being copied um, to our clipboard. And then right here, let's check our data. We don't have Discord ID. We do have token. Then going back to our Discord slash link, then space, and then or tab space. I think Discord fixed it already. Then token, then your account has been linked. Just dismiss that and then do right here, right? For permission, let's I'll do create another video for that. maybe it will take another hours. But most likely we're doing some like a lot of setup. That's why we're taking so long. But the main process or the main function is like it's easy, easy to make, right? As you can see here, link.h. We haven't do anything about like here. Maybe next time on the other, we'll continue this anyway. But for this, we're good. Like checking EOS, getting player token, and then if no, add player, right? Utils add player. The ether count, you can just comment this one because we're taking a lot of logs right here, even the load database and stuff. That's all our debug codes. Ether count and what is that? Results count, right? I think it's right about up here. Results count here. Results count. Okay, just remove that. Okay, for now, you can link your Discord, but if you have different kinds of Discord bot, maybe I'll make a video for creating a Discord bot using an exe or separate from the server because this one doesn't, I didn't do any benchmark yet because it's different to your server as well because how many RAMs you have, how many players you have, how many the CPU, the power of your server. It depends all of that because that's why I didn't benchmark it. But I'm pretty sure this some kind of scratches surface because you are running um you are running your Discord bot in other threads um as well, like along with your server, so they're like eating each other thing. But that's the same thing even if you're say running this Discord bot on the other server. I mean, in the same server as well. So same thing as that, but you can find it here. I don't think like it just considered as inside of this one. So right, but the good thing on Node.js Discord bot, you can host it on any free hosting services like ours. Because you don't use it so much, like doing so. All right. So next video we're gonna do our other to dos like here. Where is it? This is my API. Okay. Where's our to do? Yeah, here. And sending the logs, our logs, that if someone linked their account and when it's successful or maybe error, we can send it like this, like IPNet check element upload limit or something like this. So you can the admin that doesn't play most on the work, he can only use his Discord to check someone's, right? And then yeah, you can see that oh, someone is linked, someone is like that. Okay, right? So even if you don't play or you don't open your database like this, right there. And the other thing is we need to update the data, the player data, because this one is the most complete player data. Because as you can see right here, you can only have EOS ID and player name. So our Discord linker is like you can use it to most any plugins that you have because you can have the player name, Steam name, but you can it's still like you can just take it from here, but temporarily. But the way that you have it in your database, it's like you can just take it from other plugins that uses as long as you have the Discord linker. But that's make it like dependent to this Discord linker, like what I did on Discord host. So I connected to our database. Uh, it's like this. They're hard coded like that. Hard coded like this. But anyway, Discord bot is like for developer. He if you don't know how to code, you might find other one to code the slash command for you. But I did something here. I can show you that. Like, if you all have something like uh simple response and stuff, you can do so right here. Simple slash command and return a message, you can do that. But the other one, like, has a function like connect to the game, you need to code it. So if you want to learn how to code everything like that, you could just watch my previous you know previous video, so you can learn something from how can you get this function, how can you get that from the API. Because the time that um the time that I was studying it, there's no video, there's no everything, right? It's just like blank space, and I'm trying to get something from the old code, the ancient code of um AS ASE API, like this, not that one. On the ESA API code, I'm trying to grasp about it, and then until I learn something, and now I can find anything I want as long as you know the keywords. Like for the API, this is your drop. Most of the code is right here. But if you want like a more detailed, or more, if the function that you're looking is not there, you can look on the cache offsets, reload it, right? It Everything is right here. And then if you found it, like for example, game shooter crab plot, and you wanted to have, like, what is parameter, or for example this one has a parameter in it, right? And then maybe let's find another like simpler, right? For this one, that it's a player controller, so you don't need that. But for other parameter that has just a type, for example, like this band player, right? It needs f string and unsigned in. So I do think, like, if I'm gonna think, this one is EOS ID, or this one is player ID, or this one band player, this one is reason, and then this is the player ID. But to be sure, you use Pillaiori dumper site, okay, for that, so you can get the name for it. All right, that's how you do it. But for this one, yeah, we're pretty much done in here. So next video, I'm gonna create the other ones that included here, but you can use this one as for like, we're gonna do a lot of cleanup as well, because we don't use much of these codes. Anyway, that's about it. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one. Bye.